Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tricky Notes. Friends, in our previous video we have studied how to find out the square roots. In this video we will study how to find out the cube roots of the numbers given. So here I am taking 4 examples. We will solve these examples and you will be clear how to solve the cube roots, how to find out the cube roots. So before we move on to the questions, again I'll tell you the concept as I have told you in square root. The unit digit concept. We need to know the cube of unit digit of numbers from 1 to 9. Based on that we can solve the answers. So friends, the cube of 1 is 1. So obviously the unit digit is 1. The cube of 2 is 8. The unit digit is 8. The cube of 3 is 27. Unit digit is 7. Cube of 4 is 64, the unit digit is 4. The cube of 5 is 125, the unit digit is 5. So, the cube of 6 is 216, the unit digit is 6. Similarly, we will find the unit digit of 7 cube will be 3. We will find the unit digit of 8 cube will be 2. The unit digit of 9 cube will be 9. Friends, using this concept, we can find out the answers. We can find out the cube roots. Here I'll tell you one more thing. See, the unit digit of 1 cube is 1. The unit digit of 4 cube is 4. The unit digit of 5 cube is 5. The unit digit of 6 cube is 6. The unit digit of 9 cube is 9. So out of 9 numbers, 5 numbers are repeating themselves. 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. The only numbers left are 2, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7 and 8. For 2, the cube of the unit digit of the cube is 8. For 3, the unit digit cube will be 7. For 7 it is 3. For 8 it is 2. 2 it is 8, 8 it is 2, 3 it is 7, 7 it is 3. You need to remember like this. Now let's move on to the questions. We have questions as well as the chart here so that it would be easier for us to solve. Friends, let's take the first example. Every time when you see a number, you need to divide it like this. See, this is 571, 787. So 787 will be one part, 571 will be another part. So here we will have two numbers. So the first number, how will I find the first number? So friends, the cube of 8 is 512. So this is, I am putting 512 here. The cube of 9 will be 729. So I am putting 729 here. See, this number is in between these two numbers. So obviously this number is 8. So friends, it's very clear that the first digit is 8 here. We will find out this digit based on the unit digit concept. 787, 7 is there. Every number will repeat, but 2, 3 and 7, 8 will not. For 3 it is 7. So this number is 3. Undoubtedly this number is 3. So the number is 83. So the cube root of 571 787 is 83. Friends, I hope it is very clear to you. If it is not, let's move on to the next example so that it will be very clear. 74088. As I told you, we will take this. 088 will be one side, 74 will be another side. So now tell me, what is the first digit? We will have two digits here. What is the first digit? Think for a while. The first digit would be, see, the cube of 4 is 64. The cube of 5 is 125. So 74 is in between 64 and 125. So obviously this number is 4. Now, what is the other number? Here we have 8. Where you will find 8? If the number is 2, then only the unit digit of this number will be 8. So the cube root of 74088 will be 42. Let's move on to one more example. Now you try to solve this example. It's a small value, so easily people can find out. Again we will have two numbers. This is 90, 9261. I am putting a slash here. 261 will be one side, 9 will be the other side. Now you tell me, this number will come in between? Yes. See, this cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27. So this number is between these two. So here we will have 2. And we have 1 here. 1. So this can be this, definitely, because only 1 will give us 1. So this is the cube of 21 is 9261, and the cube root of 9261 is 21. Again I am taking a big value. Now you find out this. How will you find out? Two numbers, taking a slash here. 976 will be one side, 438 will be one side. Now what would be the first digit? Think. Cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, and cube of 8 is 512. So 438 is in between these two. So obviously this number is 7. Now, where will we find 6 as the unit digit? If it is 6, then only we will find 6. So the number is 76. The cube of 76 is 438976, and the cube root of 438976 is 76. Friends, I hope with these examples easily you understood how to find out the cube roots. Now, if you have any other tricks to know, if you want to know anything else, or if you have any questions, or if you want to give us any feedback, any suggestion, please do comment us. And if you like our videos, subscribe our channels to know about more videos, like and share our videos. Thank you, my dear friends.